My son for the release for the third time. This time it was very fair. The judge was very fair. He wasn't pro-prosecutor. He wasn't pro-defense, but he was pro-justice. So he listened to all the evidence and, he's going to give a ruling in the next few days about what his position is for the bond. But we were very pleased at how it turned out. So continue, family, friends, and fans, continue to keep us in your prayers. And we thank you. And inshallah, God willing, this be victorious for us, that we have a good group.
New updates in Lil Durk's case have revealed information about his possible release date. To understand the timing, it is important to note that statement from Durk's father suggested he could be released on bond. This is his third attempt, and his legal team made a strong offer to the court that in a surprising turn. During the hearing, the prosecutor submitted a request to remove Durk's lyrics from the list of evidence. Reports stated that the prosecutors told the judge they were willingly dropping the lyrics as evidence, but read them out loud in front of everyone during the hearing. Many are now wondering how this will affect the rest of his bond decision. The lyrics they reference included the lines about getting a location and seeing a man's son on the news crying out in distress while showing a related news report involving Quando.
For 3 people who police say at a Savannah rapper, a member of his entourage. It happened in Los Angeles, and cameras captured the aftermath.
This man, a passenger in that car, frantic at
The way the prosecutors handled the situation was seen as very corrupt, especially since Durk is trying to secure a bond for his release. However, Durk's lawyers welcomed the move, explaining that the prosecutors were weakening their own case. As a result, the case against Durk has grown weaker since the lyrics can no longer be used as evidence. This even led Drew to call the charges a complete joke. The only evidence the prosecutors had against Lil Durk was based on his lyrics, and now that has been removed. When the judge finally made a decision about Durk's bail, it was revealed that federal agents said Durk would have to give up all his property and go completely broke to qualify for bond. They claimed they feared he might use his wealth to place bounties or influence others.
Huge. It shows the weakening of the case. Previously, the prosecution had alleged that Durk paid the bounty through one of his co-defendants, and they named the co-defendant. Now they've backed off that allegation. They're not actually saying that Durk paid the bounty through the co-defendant or anyone else. And the fact that they're not saying that suggests that previously they thought they were going to be able to prove that he paid the bounty through this guy, and now they know we're not going to be able to prove that he paid the bounty.
A viral tweet began circulating that read, "If you think Durk was denied bond because he is rich, then you do not understand the case." DD's brother reportedly snitched on all of F, and instead of making it public, the prosecutors are keeping it hidden to catch Durk's lawyers by surprise. This could explain why the prosecutors decided to throw away all the previous evidence against Durk, as they may have obtained new information from DD's brother. The Post continued that new body cam footage shows Ted begging to cooperate with the feds against Durk and F members, which has now changed the case. Durk's lawyers have since filed for more time on their bond proposal, raising questions about what Ted told federal agents. Ted is known as DD's younger brother and one of Durk's main associates. He was arrested at a local convenience store after officers saw a firearm tucked in his jeans pocket.